Hey guys, so today we're going to do something a little different with the Edpuzzle. What I've done is created a PowerPoint for you. It's going to be a quiz grade. So I need you to have two things with you, three really. You need to have your Sarah and a Star packet, and you need a loose leaf sheet of paper and a pen or a pencil. On your loose leaf sheet of paper, you need to section it off into 5 different sections, and I'm going to tell you how to number the paper. Okay. And you can pause this video anytime to take your time doing the activities. You can use your notes to look up answers or figure out what you have to do. Okay, so on your loose leaf there'll be 5 sections. On the first section you're going to number 1 through 5. On the second section 1 through 6. The third section 1 through 6. The fourth section 1 through 8. And the fifth section 1 through 5. So you should have your name on it, the date, maybe Sarah and a star on the top, and the different sections. It doesn't have to be like this. You can use both sides of the paper if you want, however you want to do it, but the answers aren't very long. The only thing that might be a little longer is, I believe, the last section, 1 through 5. You're going to be translating some sentences. So that might be a little longer than the rest, so you might need to leave a little more room. Otherwise, you're pretty much just going to have one-word answers, okay? So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to run through the slides, and I'll take a little pause, but of course you can pause the video whenever you want to answer the questions. This needs to be written down on the sheet of paper, obviously, and you're going to bring it to class. Now, I will be able to see if you watched the whole video or not. I will know if you watched it because I can tell how much of it you watched and how long it took you to watch the video. So I'll know if you simply copy down answers from someone because it didn't take you that long to watch the video. If you're actually doing it and taking the time, it's going to take you, maybe 15 minutes or so. I'm not sure exactly how long to complete the task. If I see that you only watched the video for the exact time of the video, then that means you probably just copied down answers from someone. So I will be aware of that. You'll bring the paper back in tomorrow, and this will be a quiz grade. Okay, so I hope you have your loose leaf ready. If not, just pause the video and get it ready. Make sure you have your packets, okay? And we'll get started. So the first section, you're just going to fill in the blank here, all right? Sarah and a star both mean blank, and you just need the word. You don't have to write the whole sentence if you want. Okay, and just do numbers 1 through 5. All right. So the next part is just Sarah. So you're going to fill in the blank with 2 answers. The blank will have 1 answer. Okay, you're going to write the correct conjugation of Sarah. And then I want you to tell me the use. So if you look in your notes for the doctor acronym, you're going to tell me which use this sentence goes with. Okay, so do that for numbers 1 through 6. This one is about a star. Same thing as you did for the last one. Okay, you fill in the blank with the correct conjugation of the star, and then you're going to tell me the use using your acronym for place. Okay, so it could be position, action, etc. So you're going to tell me next to that word, if you put estoy, you want to tell me maybe, it's about position, whatever. So you write estoy and then position. Okay. This one, you have to decide, are you going to use Sarah or estar? Fill in the blank with the correct form of Sarah or star, depending on, what your subject is, and then write the use again. But this time you're going to have to decide, is it Sarah or is it a star? So if it's a star, you might, write estoy, and then location, whatever it may be. This is the last section. So you're just going to translate these words to Spanish, and obviously you're going to have to decide, is it ser or is it a star? You don't have to put the use for this one, you're just going to translate the sentence, okay? Alright, so that's it. Hopefully you did well. Bring me the paper tomorrow and I will grade it. I will also see again, how much you watched of the video. So I will see you tomorrow.